In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add PayPal as a payment method on the Google Play Store. I know a lot of you don't have credit and debit cards, so you can't buy stuff from the Google Play Store with a credit or debit card. So here's how you can add PayPal and use that. So what you need to do is make sure you're logged into Google Play, then click on the three lines in the top left hand corner and then go to Payment Methods. Under Payment Methods, you will then see add a credit or debit card, add a PaySafe card, or add a PayPal account. Here we can click on add a PayPal account, and here you need to enter in your PayPal email address and then a PayPal phone number. I'm going to add in my PayPal email address now. PayPal are then going to send you a message that you're then going to have to verify with a one-time code. Once you've done that, you can enter in the code that they've sent you, and then your PayPal account is going to be on Google Play. You can then use that to buy anything from the Google Play Store. So if that helped you out, make sure you leave a like, subscribe, comment down below if you're having any problems, and I'll jump in the comments and help some of you out. Cheers guys, and I'll see you all in the next one.